Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th. Subject English. Topic number 30. Be a netizen. So students, let us start with the notes of chapter number 30. Be a netizen. So the page which you can see on your right hand side is of your English workbook. So this lesson is on page 91 of your English workbook. And the page which you can see on your left hand side is of your English textbook. So this lesson is on page 72 and continued on page 73 of your English textbook. So students, these are the meanings which we learned in the lesson. Now let us start with summative evaluation. First, written practice, classwork, homework. So, assignment 1, textbook page 72. So the passage starts from here. Have you seen? So it is from here and ends here. Can update a website. That is here. So, question number 1. Write the answers to the following questions in one sentence each. First, have you ever seen or used a computer? So students, this answer we can write on our own. So we can write that yes, I use a computer nearly every day at school or at home. Question 2. What is the internet? So students, we learn here that is the internet or the net is a network of computers. So let us frame the answer properly and write this. The internet is a network of computers. Next, third, what is a website? So students, we learned here that is websites are places on the net. So we can write a website is a place on the net. Question number 4. What is the World Wide Web? So students, we learned here that the thousands of websites on the net together form the World Wide Web, www. So let us frame the answer properly and write. The thousands of websites on the net together form the World Wide Web. Next, this is the next page, that is page 92 of your English workbook. So let me zoom in. Question number 5. What are search engines? So we saw here that there are special computer programs known as search engines which help you to find the different websites on the World Wide Web. So let us frame the answer properly and write that is search engines are special computer programs which help you to find the different websites on the World Wide Web. Next, 6. What is meant by browsing or surfing? So students, we learned here that is looking at the various websites is known as browsing or surfing the net. So we'll write looking at the various websites is known as browsing or surfing the net. Next, question 2. List the words or phrases related with the computer or the internet from the passage. So first students, let us find the words or phrases related to the computer or the internet and then write it together. So first, as we can see here, network, then log on, then log off, right? Then websites, World Wide Web, then computer programs, search engines, then browsing, surfing, then update, right? So let us write, that is network, log on, log off, website, World Wide Web, computer programs, search engines, browsing, surfing, update. Question number 3. List all the pairs of antonyms you find in the passage. So, let us find the first one. So, see here, first we saw your log on, and so the opposite is what? It is log off, right? So, first we can write log on, log off. Then next we can write, see here, connected, and the opposite will be what? It will be disconnected. So second, connected, disconnected. Okay. Then next we can write large, and here it is tiny. So third, large, tiny. And then what else? So see here we can write can, and here cannot. So fourth, can, cannot. Assignment 2, textbook page 73. So this is textbook page 73. So let us start. So the passage starts from here, while your computer, that is your first line, while your computer, and ends here, would you like to be a netizen, that is here. So the first question, write the answers to the following questions in one sentence each. So first question, what is meant by being online? So we learned here, that is while your computer is connected to the internet, you are online. Okay. So we can write, when your computer is connected to the internet, you are online. Question 2. What is meant by being offline? So we learned here that when you are not connected to the net, you are offline. So we can write, when your computer is not connected to the internet, you are offline. Next, third, what is email or electronic mail? So it is here, this system of sending or receiving messages or mail on computers is known as email or electronic mail. So let us frame the answer properly and write, that is, the system of sending and receiving messages or mail on computers is known as email or electronic mail. Next, what is a password? So, a password is a secret word or group of letters and or numbers. So, a password is a secret word or group of letters and or numbers. Next, question number 5. Who is a netizen? So, we learned here that people who use the net are netizens. So, we'll write a person who uses the net is a netizen. Next, sixth, would you like to be a netizen? So we can write yes, I would certainly like to be a netizen. Next, page 93 of your English workbook. So let me zoom in. Question number 2. List the words or phrases related with the computer or the internet from the passage. So let us start. So first here, as you can see, online, then computer games, then offline, then copy, download, website, then email, electronic mail, email account, then password and netizen. So let us write online, computer games, offline, copy, download, website, electronic mail, email, email account, password, netizen. Question 3. List all the pairs of antonyms you find in the passage. So first here we can see that is online, offline, right? So you can write online, offline. And second we can see what? We can see your receive and send, or send, receive. So second, receive, send. Next, draw a diagram to explain the idea of internet. So students, this you can draw on your own. So this question is for homework. Next, workbook page 94. So let me zoom in. Question 2. Label the different parts of the picture given below. So first here, what is this, students? This is a printer. So we'll write here printer. Then next, this is monitor, right? So monitor. Then this is screen, right? Then this is what? This is CPU. So CPU. Then next, these are what? Speakers. So speakers. Then here, this is what? This is keyboard. Then this is mouse. And this is what? This is a microphone. So microphone. Next, question 3. www is a short form of World Wide Web. Find 10 other short forms related to ICT. So students, answer first AI, that is artificial intelligence. Then ACD, automatic call distributor. BT, Bluetooth. BW, bandwidth. CAD, computer aided design. Then CRS, computer reservations system. Then LAN, this local area network. LCD, liquid crystal display. MB, megabyte. And last one, MPU, that is microprocessor unit. Question 4. Choose a word that has at least 4 letters in it. Imagine that it is a short form. Write the name, phrase, word it stands for. So it is WINS, Women in Need of Support. And second, SCAR, that is Street Children's Association for Rehabilitation.